Good morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Mate 70 and let me show you how to check total screen time. At first open the settings, then find and select digital balance and here just activate it. Pick the user, tap on OK, and here you've got some basic statistics. So once you activate it, then you will see this panel right after you mark on digital balance, and here mark the middle of the screen to get a bit more knowledge. So as you can see, you can check it daily or weekly. You can pick particular app usage. And then if you will scroll down, you can set some extensions over here and see them. You can check unlock numbers and so on. So this is it. This is how you can check time spent on screen, how you can detect it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.